What's up, everybody? Welcome to your workout. Today I have for you a 15-minute core burner. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, we only have 15 minutes. Meet me on your backs. Let's do this core burner, you guys. Not any time to waste. Bring it up, up, up. Shoulder blades stay up off the mat. Breathe. Come on, up, up, up. Elbows stay wide. Keep that going. Press the soles of your feet into your mat. Let's go, you guys. Woo! We're working. We're working all abs today. 15 minutes. Keep going. Come on. Up, up, up. 8 more right here. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Hold it. 8, 7, 6. Elbows wide. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Reach those arms. Tap those ankles. Hey. Come on, you guys. Core burner, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! All right, it's burning already, you guys. I want 2 more sets of 8. Go 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, 4, 3. Last set of 8 right here. You got it. Tap those ankles. If you cannot tap those ankles, calves. Let's go. I want 1 more set just because I know you can. Yeah. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe up. Take a quick second to breathe. Full sit-ups. Reach and down. Let's go. Up. Press and down. Keep that stomach all the way in. I'm gonna face you. Come on. Reach and down. Come on. You got this. Push. 8 more. 8. Yes. Come on. 6. 4 more. 4. Woo! 2. I know it burns. Keep it up here. Twist. Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Come on. Breathe. Use that breath. Let's lift. Go. 8, 7, 8, 6. Woo. 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Hold it. Reach out. Point those toes. Point those toes. Cross. Hey. Woo. Up. You got this. Breathe. Up. Chin is up. Chest is proud. We're not hunching over. Come on. 8, 7, hey, 6, 5, good. 4, 3, 2, hold it. Flutters. Up and down. Hup. Arms go up. Up. Come on. Hup. Up. Woo! Wait. It's burning. Keep going. Keep going. Hey. 8, 7, 6, 5. Where you at? 4. Get those legs up. Hold it right there. Just hold it. 8, 7, 6. Hold it. 5. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. Up. Down. Up. Hey. Up. It's a full range. Up. Down. And up. Point those toes. Let's go. Come on. 8. 7. You got it. 6. I'm watching you. 4 more. 4. Come on. 3. Hey. 2. And 1. Hold it low and hover. 8, 7, 6. Reach those arms. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down for a second. Meet me in a high plank. High plank. Come on. Hold it. Feet and knees together. Hold it. Stomach is in. Check it out. 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 Control it. We're not picking it up. Control it. Up. Option to tap it out. Tap. But challenge yourselves. Up. Keep going. Keep going. Tap. You know we're going to add on. You know I'm not going to just have you doing that, right? For sure. 8, 7. Adding on in 6. Adding on in 5. Come on. 4. Hey, 3. Check it out. 2. And 1, hold that high plank and just watch me. Take it down. Out. Up. Woo! Out. Come on. Down. 2. Up. 2. Come on. You got this. Let's go, let's go. Push. Oh my goodness. You got this. Come on. Last set of 8 right here. Go 8, 7. Good. 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold that low plank. Hip stiff. Right to left. Right to left. Woo! No time to waste, you guys. No time to waste. 15 minutes. Come on. Let me see it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Stay on that right side. Right side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 to the left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold that forearm plank. Hold it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring the hands up. 8, 7. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to your forearms. Hold. Hold it. Widen those legs. Get ready to tuck. 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 Woo! In, release. In, release. In, back to a neutral spine. Tuck it in and come back to a neutral spine. Don't arch that back. 8, 7. Circles in 6 to the right. In 5. Come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circles. Circle. Slow. 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 4, 3, 2. Get ready to speed it up to the right. Come on. Hit. Go. Hit. 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 Woo! Let me show you what you're working there. Not only are you working all of this lower area, but you're also working what they call the muffin top area and your obliques. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2 to the left. Slow. 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 Really accent. Get that booty to the sky. Up. Come on. Up. Up. Let's see it. Up. Come on. 8, 7. Hey. 6. Oh my gosh, you guys. You're over halfway done. Come on. 4, 3. Get ready to speed it up in 2 and 1. Let's go. Pick it up. Up. Come on. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, come on. I see you. Get that booty up. Use those obliques. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2. Last set. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes. 4, 3, 2. Just hold that forearm plank. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 4 more. Come on. 4, 3. Tighten 2 and 1. Bring it up. Come on. Legs are wide. Come on. Let's go. Hey. 8 more. 8, 7. 6. Relax that neck. Shake it out. No tension in the neck, you guys. Come on. 3, 2. Hold that forearm plank. Hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come down to the knees. Step back to child's pose. Bring it up. Turn it over. Turn it over. Obliques. Classic oblique work here. Elbows are wide. Your focus is to the ceiling. Up. Up. Come on. Up. 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 I like to have my legs straight sometimes. You can do whatever you like here, but keep those elbows wide. Up. Up. Shoulder blades off the mat. Come on. Home stretch. Come on, you got it. Push. Come on. That's it, that's it. Hey. Yes. Come on. Last set of 8, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, good, 4, 3, 2, I want you to hold it here for 8, 7, higher, 5, higher, 4, 3, 2, come to the center, reach, up, up, no shoulders on the mat, come on, up, 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 you got it, up, 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 do it again, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, holding 4, 3, 2, hold it up, hold it, 8, 7, 6, 5, good, 4, 3, 2, and 1, release, turn those knees, elbows stay wide, you guys, left side, come on, bring it up, pulse, up, 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 do it again, go, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 2 more sets, go, 8, 7, 6, you got it, 5, push, 4, 3, 2, last set of 8, you got this, 8, 7, 6, 5, holding 4, holding 3, 2, hold it up, hold it, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come back to the center, reach, up, back to pulses, you got it, push, up, up, give me 8 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, good, 4, 3, 2, and 1, relax the head, windshield wiper those legs, just for a second, now bring the feet up to the ceiling, now, everyone, to protect your lower back, I want you to put your hands in the shape of a diamond under your lower back, right leg only, right leg goes down and up, come on, straighten that left leg, down and up, down, up, down, up, come on, 8 more, 8, 7, 6, 5, you got this, 4, 3, 2, 1, left side, right away, down and up, woo, come on, down, up, let's go, down, keep that right leg straight, you have to fight to keep that right leg straight, come on, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, do it again, go down, up, so close you guys, so close, 2 more sets of 8, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, good, 4, 3, 2, last set of 8, come on, 8, 7, 6, you gotta trick the brain, I counted you slower, 3, 2, and 1, bring those legs up, hold it here, just breathe, take the hands out from the sides, breathe, bring the knees in, and wipe the sweat out of your eyes, woo, lots of sweat in my eyes, all right, okay, home stretch you guys, bring that chin off the chest, shoulder blades up, up, and down. I want you to tap your ankles every time. Down, come on, up. I'm slowing it down here. Up, and down, let's go. Up, down, stomach stays in. Up, down, I want 8 more. 8, down, come on, 7, down, you got this. 6, down, 5 more, 5, 4 more, 4, count it down, you got this. 3, just 2 more, that's all I need. 2, last one, up, and down, bring it up. Let's bring it home. This is it before we stretch, yes? All right, boat pose, knees into the chest. I want you to burn this out. All right, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, did it. Let's stretch. Woo, we made it. 15 minutes. Just bring those hands over the head. Stretch out in opposite directions. Inhale. Exhale. Bring yourself up. Using those abs. Fall forward. Inhale. Exhale. You made it. I'll see you next time. Hey.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal.